All right, well, welcome to Splitsville. I'll show you here in a second. Here, this is gonna be awesome. So this is all my splits. There's another one there. I got a few more behind my shed, but this is the oldest one. So I'm gonna go to this one first. It's, look at the date here. This was pulled on the 19th. So that's over a month. I like to give them a month, give or take, and go from there. But let's take a peek, see what the girls are up to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right to the bottom first. Because usually that's where they start. Whew, look at the numbers. All right, you can't see, now you can. All right, so now, okay, just gonna do real quick. I'm gonna, a lot of bird comb here. So these girls, now, this was a 3-frame split I made. And what I had to do was give them another box. They were bearding. So it was a strong split. Come on, girls, let's get out of the way. And I'm gonna need all the space I can get. So there we go. But this was a strong split. My first split. So we'll see what they're up to. Like I said, this is what did I say, the 19th? I do believe it was a queen cell, an egg in one, so that would have put it even ahead of schedule. Okay, so that is all, that is all nectar. That's capped honey. Wow. Wow, they've definitely hit the flow. So there's some room. I know the angle's bad, but we have eggs. I think we have eggs. Hold on a second. I'll know for sure in a second. All right, ladies, what do we do? Oh yeah, we got eggs. We got eggs. Nice. All right, that's what I started to wanted to see. We got eggs. So she's on that frame, or she laid in that frame. She's not on it, sorry. So let's see what the middle frame brings. This should be awesome. I know I say it all the time, but would you look at that? Look at the cat brood. She's on fire already. I guess I gave her way too much time. Wow. Oh, there she is right there. Right off the bat, we got her. Look at her go. She's kind of light colored. She's scatterish. First queen of 2020. First blue dot right there. Look at that. Way to go. I mean, look at her already. So I'm done. I mean, she is already laid that. I mean, it's impressive. So, wow. All right, where'd you go? You're still in the middle of that frame, right where I want you to be. All right, I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna look at this other frame while I got it open and see, because there's eggs on this one. There's cat brood in the center one, and there's cat brood here. I mean, look at the brood pattern. Yeah, I gave her way too much time. So she must have been, if I did the math, I usually give them well over a month, or close to a month. I'm sorry. But if she had a capped, or I think this was the one that had queen cell, that was practically I'd say my guess was 6 days old. If this is the one, it's either this one or that one. Come on, move over, girls. All right. So they're ahead of the game. So you take off 6 or 7 days from your 3 week or 4 weeks. All right, up right there. That's it. All right, little ladies, you guys have done it. So I'm gonna take a look in the top while I got it open. And then I got even better news is that I got another farm to put bees on. So, and I'm not moving my production hives. All right, just squishing a hive beetle. Just one, right, ladies? So I need to move these hives. So let's see what she did up top. Now they got 3 frames drawn when I gave them this. So these outer ones are what they're building, which they are building. You're seeing more smoker than you are anything else over my arm. So we're putting Nectar up top. Now this one here was already drawn comb, so I don't, oh, we got some, hold on, let's get rid of this, girls. You guys got some weird bridge comb on this one. So hold on 1 second and then I'll just clean this up. Come on, girls. All right. Get off there. So it looks like it's open. Yep. So there's young larvae and eggs in the middle of that frame. And the same right there, it's all wet. You're not gonna probably see it. Like I said, this is my nuke yard in the woods. It's nice because it keeps them out of the direct sun all day long so they don't cook, but very hard to see eggs. But I don't need to see eggs when I got frames of cat brood. So let's just look at one more here and then I'm gonna close them up and let them rip. She's got cat brood up top. Wow. Yeah, she's got brood everywhere. All right, well, I'm not gonna do any more. I'm gonna leave these girls be. They're just starting out, but what a start. I like what I see here. I know, girls, I know. I'm gonna close it up. We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. So I gotta go through the rest. I'm not gonna make a video on those, but I'll let everybody know how it went. But I'm excited about that one. First one of the season is a success. Thanks for watching.